So today's video is about atomic structure, and basically today we're going to be looking at, the foundation of atoms and what is built up of atoms, which eventually builds up our matter. And atoms are, like I said, the foundation of chemistry, and they're the basis for everything in the universe. And matter is composed of atoms, like I said. So basically, everything around us that's matter is also atoms. And in order to understand atoms, we first must look at what atoms are made of. So there are three main pieces of atoms, and we have electrons, protons, and neutrons. And electrons are negatively charged and mainly seen on the outer orbital of the atom around here or in the outer shell. And then once we move towards the center of the atom, we get neutrons and protons. And protons are positively charged, neutrons carry no charge, which is why they're called neutrons. And there are almost 120 known elements in the periodic table. And chemists and physicists are trying to make new ones every day in their labs. And the atoms of elements have different number of electrons, protons, and neutrons. And that's why every element is unique and has its own atomic number. So for looking at the charges of atoms, like I said, the neutrons are very large, but they carry no charge. So that's why they're called neutron. They're neutral. Protons are large with a positive charge. So that's these two are what make up the big nucleus, the center of the atom, most important part of the atom. Then around the outside, kind of floating around in an orbit, we have these electrons, which are small but with a negative charge. And the atomic particles have different sizes and different charges. That's what makes them unique, and that's what helps influence the different elements and that these atoms are building. And the symbols, of course, refer to the charge on the side here. So the O is none, plus is positive, the minus sign is the negative charge symbol. So that's, if you ever see that on a diagram, you see an O next to a neutron or a plus next to a proton, just know that that represents the charge eventually. An electron will always have a negative charge, and the proton will always have a positive charge. If the charge of an entire atom is zero or neutral, then there are equal numbers of positive and negative charges to balance each other out. And since the number of protons in an atom does not change, fewer extra electrons can create a special atom called an ion. And like I was saying, like if you want to balance out so it's 0, 0, then that's how you're gonna need to have equal protons and equal electrons. So you have that perfect 0, 0 charge, of course. And that's today's video. Thank you.